Today, a business without a website, it's dead. After browsing thousands of options on the internet, I couldn't find one agency that charges less than $3,000 for a website. As a startup business was not a good news. After watching a few videos on YouTube, I thought I can do it on my own, but I only got stuck one eternity later. Hello, what's going on? Ruxandra here and welcome to my new video, a review on the free website guys.com that are building my website right now, and it's totally free. They usually select like 40 people from 900, so I couldn't believe when they choose me and my project. So I will have a website in design and printing industry, which I can't wait to share with you guys. But yeah, let's dive into the process and how you get there to so they build their website for you. So let's dive in. Okay, so this is their website. After I signed up, I've been reading a little bit about them, and yeah, you can apply even on their website. Minutes, but I will also give you a link below. Okay, this is their website, the projects they did, who received websites for free. So yeah, they build like thousands of free websites. Yeah, this is the average cost of what a web agency charges. It's like around 3,600. Until now, everything is okay with the website, and I'm really happy how the process is going. You receive emails with the progress every time you communicate with them. Each and every time you have to do something, they explain you with steps and videos. First, you have to buy a host for your website. You receive a website for free. If you have one, they will integrate the one you have, and so on. So that's not a big deal. They also have options. If you want a simple website, you can choose free templates for your website, or you can go to Divi through their affiliate link, and get a template, a paid one. I've been choosing the paid one. I will show you which one I did choose, which I love. I choose this one, which is amazing, and yeah, I think this is the best and fits my project fully. You can view the live demo here, how your website will look like. Okay, it will be the landing. You can change with them. You can change the name of the pages. You can change what buttons to show or not to show, and so on. Yeah, so these are the changes that they will make for you. They will also help you to find the right images and so on. Okay, so let's go back and see how you apply. Okay. They're also rated on Trustpilot, you can see. Okay, these are a few examples of websites they did, and plus the one that they are building now, which is mine. Okay, this is like a comparison with a website development, optimization, and so on. I know that an agency asked me even for $5,000, which is very much. And I said, okay, if I spend $5,000, I won't have the money to actually build my business. I was kind of stuck when I got here to the free website guys, which was a turning point in my business building moment, because I wanted a business, but I didn't know how to have a website, and I didn't know how to build it myself. So yeah, it was kind of a turning point, and they helped me fulfill my dream, actually. Here is how you apply. Okay, you describe the website you want to build, like shortly. I didn't make a long description. Okay, then you press enter. I don't know. Right now my husband wants to make a fishing. Okay, but you can write a longer description. Okay, you go your first name and so on. It's like a questionnaire here, so try and describe it as good as you can. If they don't understand some details from your description, they will ask for more details, so don't worry. Yeah, don't worry about it. Yeah. Okay, so once you're done, they will receive your form and they will send you a message after, and yeah, they will review your potential and if they like your project or not. Okay, because they have to make a decision. They can't build for everybody. Like I told you, they selected like 40 from 900 people. Okay, so this is kind of it. I will show you how your website will look like until it's ready. It will look like this. This is my website. Yeah, I can't wait to see how it's turning. Yeah, I think it will look amazing anyway. Okay. I forgot to tell you. You will also have to make a video explaining each and every page. What's the name for each and every page you want, the content, and so on. You'll have to make a video, a short one, like 10 minutes or so, to just explain briefly. If they have questions after your video, they will ask. So yeah, it's a very good team, and yeah, I communicate very good with them. Okay, so if you're ready to build your business and to make your dream come true, even if you want to open just a blog, a simple blog, this is the right team to collaborate with. They are very good at what they're doing. They're very clear. They have a very transparent process, and yeah, you're the one that will have full control after they finish your website. They won't have a control after they give it to you, so you will have the possibility to put the content you want. They will show you how to do it, and yeah, literally they will train you how to maintain your website as well. You have like 2 or 3 hours with them, yeah, after the project is done. So yeah, but you will get that in the emails, explain very good all the steps that you have to take in order, yeah, to get those consultation hours after the website is done. Okay, so if you like the video and you want to apply for a free website, you have the link in the description below. Subscribe, like, and share, because other interesting videos will come as I finally fulfilled my dream and I find inspiration, and yeah, I found my passion again with this website, because yeah, I couldn't see my business going without one, and I couldn't focus on making videos no more, and I was kind of lost and searching solutions. The free website, guys, thank you very much. You made my dream come true, really, and I thank you for that.